Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I was gonna work on the Outback, but I can't get the Sambar out of the garage because it's not starting. It's funny because I got a comment recently saying more K-Truck videos, so this is probably the universe telling me to make more K-Truck videos. I'm guessing I need a new battery, but the easiest thing to try now is to jump the car. I already know how to do that, so no research is necessary and we can skip that part. Let's get these hooked up. Okay, so my understanding is to connect the red positive lead to the dead battery first, and then to the good battery, followed with black lead on the negative. And then lastly, the negative here is grounded to a piece of metal on the car. Let's start the Outback and see if this works. I haven't jumped a car in a while, so we will find out right now. I should probably let this charge, but we're gonna go to the Sambar and see if it works. Okay, not yet. We're gonna let this charge for a few minutes. I might rev the Outback a little bit. So unfortunately, it's not starting, so this was a complete failure. I really thought it was gonna work, but I guess we can't win all of them. My plan is to replace the battery for the next video, and hopefully it's not something more serious like the alternator or something else. But for now, video 217 done.